In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add local business schema in Rank Math. If you run a local business website, adding local business schema helps search engines clearly understand your name, address, phone number, hours, and business type. That clarity can improve how you appear in local results and rich snippets, so it's worth a few minutes to set up correctly. Start in your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, open Rank Math SEO, then click Dashboard. Here you'll see a list of modules that you can turn on or off. Find the local SEO module and activate it. This switch unlocks the local SEO settings and tells Rank Math to handle the structured data for your business. Next, go back to the Rank Math SEO menu. Choose Titles and Meta, and then open the Local SEO tab. This is where you'll enter your business details. Take a moment to gather accurate information so everything matches across your online profiles. Enter your business name exactly as customers see it. Add your address, including city, region, and postal code, formatted the way you normally present it on your site. For the phone number, use a number that customers can call during business hours. Keep the formatting consistent with what you use elsewhere. Choose your business type from the available options so search engines know what category you belong to. Then set your opening hours. If you have different hours on different days, reflect that here so the information is precise. Finally, include your website URL, making sure it uses the correct protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS, and matches your live site. When everything looks accurate, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it for the setup. Once you've saved, Rank Math automatically includes the local business metadata on the relevant pages of your site, typically your home page and your contact page. You won't need to paste code or add separate snippets. The plugin handles the structured data behind the scenes based on the details you just provided. A couple of quick best practices to keep in mind as you finish up. Make sure the name, address, and phone number you entered match what you display on your website and any other listings you manage. Consistency helps search engines trust your information. If your hours change seasonally or for holidays, you can return to this same screen and update them at any time. And that's the process. Activate the local SEO module, open the local SEO settings, fill in your details, and save. Rank Math takes care of the rest, so your local business information is properly structured and visible where it matters.